Can you imagine losing someone very dear to you? A friend, a sibling, a colleague? It's happening. Over 8 lakh people are committing suicide every single year. That's 8 lakh dreams cut short, families left heartbroken, and lives that could have been saved.
सुसाइड एक बहुत सीरियस इशू है। तो एक इंसान के दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है अगर वो सुसाइड कर रहा है, तो मेरे हिसाब से आई गेस बहुत ज़्यादा पीयर प्रेशर, बहुत ज़्यादा सेल्फ ह्यूमिलिएशन फील होना, बहुत ज़्यादा डिप्रेशन और लोगों से निगलेक्ट होना। कोई इंसान ऐसा इतना बड़ा कदम इतनी आसानी से देता है नहीं। पक्का उसको ऐसा निगलेक्शन फील होते होते बारी तो आई गेस बहुत ज़्यादा मेंटल ट्रॉमा एंड प्रेशर एक इंसान को सुसाइड लेट के लिए लेके जाता है।
There are a lot of things, but what I can majorly think of is probably some mental trauma, be it from work, be it from family, be it from relationships. So I feel like mental trauma or depression are the major things which comes to my mind when I think of a person who is going to commit suicide.
When I think of somebody who is going to commit suicide, the main thing that comes to my mind is peer pressure, like the expectations from our own generation. Like there is so much competition in today's time, and that can lead to depression, which I think is the main cause of person who want to commit suicide.
These answers reflect the reality faced by many, but there's more to it than what meets the eye. Conditions like depression, anxiety, bipolar disorder, making it difficult for people to see a way out of their struggles. Stressful life events such as job loss, financial strain or abuse can push people towards the edge, especially when combined with mental health issues.
आई गेस जो लोग सर्वाइव कर गए सुसाइड वो काफ़ी ब्लेस्ड हैं कि एटलीस्ट उनको एक दोबारा मौका मिला है, चांस मिला है। पर अगर इनको नेगेटिव एक्सेप्ट से देखें तो फिर उनको ये भी लग सकता है कि यार अब उनको और ऐसा सेम फील ना हो जाए कि जो मैं करने जाता हूँ वो बहुत गलत चीज़ है, और शायद वो वापस भी अटेम्प्ट कर सकते हैं। मोर चांसेस कि वो दोबारा अटेम्प्ट कर ही लेते हैं जो सर्वाइव करते हैं। बट ये हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, अगर वो कोई ऐसा बच जाए, टेक केयर ऑफ दैट पर्सन, उनका ध्यान रखे, उन्हें ऐसा फील ना होने दे वो अकेले हैं।
I cannot surely say what goes through a mind of a suicide survivor, but initially they don't take it up as like a mistake or something. Maybe they could regret it, but definitely it's not a thing that they would think or like share about as openly, because suicide is still a taboo in our society, and they don't feel as accepted or as like indulged with the audience, rest of the audience.
People who have survived suicide would be thinking that, oh, whatever I thought on those particular situation is done, because suicide, we only have one life, and suicide is not an option in life. Life is always ups and downs. So whenever there is a problem in your life, you can't just think about suicide. So most people who have recovered from these kind of states, they will be thinking that whatever he or she thought about suicide will be done.
Surviving suicide is just the beginning of a new journey. With the right support, treatment and understanding, many can find a path forward.
On occasion of the mental health, I humbly request to all those people, those who are thinking or they may have any kind of thought process where for ending their life, not a single, for the single minute or the second also they should think about it. We have the very good people in and around you. If you have any those kind of problem or the issues which is creating some problem in you or making you uncomfortable, my humble request with all those people, please share the things with your near one and dear one, and I'm sure that they'll get the solution for it, because this is the one thought process which comes for a frequency of the second. If you have control over it, and after that I'm sure that you will be the happiest person in the world. Thank you so much.
On World Suicide Prevention Day, let's dedicate ourselves to actively listening, providing support and demonstrating empathy. Engage in conversations that address the tough issues, extend a helping hand, and stand by those who are experiencing loneliness and despair. By working together, you can have a positive impact.